Next concept is do while. So in Java, do while loop is used to execute the statements again and again. So we'll be using this do while to execute the statements again and again. This do while loop executes at least once because the loop is executed before the condition is checked. It means loop condition evaluates after executing the loop body. The main difference between the while and do while is in do while loop condition evaluates after executing the loop. Okay, so in one shot I can say that when we have to use do while is, so if we want to execute loop body at least once, so then we should go for do while. So let me see the syntax of this do while. See the syntax of do while. So do open the braces, and here we will be writing the statements to be executed, to be executed, and here we will be writing at the end, we will be writing the condition. We'll be writing the condition. In between here, inside the do, we'll be writing the increment, decrement. We'll be incrementing and decrementing the variables. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so when we have to use do while, if we want to execute the loop body at least once. So if we want to execute the loop body at least once, okay, then we should go for do while. Okay, that's it.